Hi friends, welcome back to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a Thai dish that is spicy Thai basil noodles. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for spicy Thai basil noodles are red cabbage, firm tofu, noodles, basil leaves, broccoli, bell peppers, baby corn, salt, pepper, soya sauce, Thai red chilies and sesame oil. Take 1.5 tablespoon sesame oil. Once that's heated, add 2 tablespoon broccoli, around 2.5 tablespoon thinly chopped red cabbage and 2 baby corns. Once that's done, we will add 4 to 5 Thai red chilies, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon pepper, these are the green noodles which are very popular in Hong Kong. So you can use any green noodles. And in the end, we will add tofu, which are cut into long pieces. If you don't want to add tofu, it's okay, you all can avoid adding, but there is no substitute for that. Our spicy Thai basil noodles are ready. Serve it hot. Our spicy Thai basil noodles are ready. I hope you like this recipe. For more such Thai dishes, comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.